Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to detect if there are any problems in Visual Studio Code text editor. So first what we'll need to do is start up your Visual Studio Code text editor. Then in the bottom left-hand corner, there's this cross icon with a warning sign. If you hover over it, it actually shows you whether or not there are any problems in your workspace. You can also click on it and it will give you an output that no problems have been detected in the workspace. So if there's any issues, it will actually show up here in this problems panel at the bottom in your Visual Studio Code text editor. So there you have it. This is how you can detect if there are any problems in your Visual Studio Code text editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.